again checking out the residential area, Hollywood Park, SoFi Stadium. Tower crane is operational again. See more of those, I don't know what those things are, those metal objects are covering more of the parking garage next to SoFi. You can see all these paved parking lots and staged trees. Not exactly sure where they're going to go at this stage. You can see some landscaping, I think, grading going on. So trying to figure out where this parkland area will be east of the stadium. Take a look here at some of the development. This is probably more likely the restaurant retail area. See that weather sheathing continues to go up around the building. And there you can see the wood framing of the residential portion of this development. You can see some irrigation here on this hillside. Maybe this will be some kind of a landscape park area coming in the future. Now in SoFi Stadium news, next month was supposed to be WrestleMania 37. Obviously, they cannot have that here due to health issues, but it has been announced in 2023, April 2023, that'll be WrestleMania 39. That'll be coming here to SoFi. And also in that same year, the college football national championship game will be held here. So that'll be exciting news. That'll be 1 year after the Super Bowl is held at SoFi. I've never really checked out this area before of SoFi Stadium. This is on the corner of Pinkai and Prairie. It's nice drought-tolerant landscaping. Then you got this kind of some sort of a entry walkway area across from the Forum.